Are you confused on what letters to pronounce and what not to pronounce in French? There are so many silent letters in French that it can be difficult to know how to pronounce a word. In this video, I am about to tell you everything about the French silent letters. By the end of the video, you will know all the mute letters in French. You will be able to read French words more easily, and this will improve your French pronunciation. Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. For those who don't know me, I'm Lexi. Let's dive in. 1. I as the final letter of a word is silent. Il. I don't say il, I say il. These two words are pronounced exactly the same. Il, il. I can be preceded by a consonant. Un homme, un téléphone, des moules, une voiture, une chaise. I can also be preceded by a vowel. Une idée, la joue, la pharmacie, la banlieue, la pluie. There are two exceptions to this rule. I is pronounced in two-letter words. Je, le. I is pronounced if it has an accent. J'ai mangé. Listen to the difference. Je mange, j'ai mangé. 2. Silent I inside words. Some words have a silent I in them. Un paiement, un licenciement, des remerciements, un aboiement, un éternuement. The letter I is not pronounced when it's between the letter G and a hard vowel, A, U, O. You can remember them with the word auto. The letter I is there to preserve the soft pronunciation of G, je. We often see this in the conjugation of verbs ending in GER. Nous mangeons. Je me changeais. Partageons. In French words, when the letter I is preceded by one pronounced consonant and followed by one pronounced consonant, then it is usually not pronounced. This might be different in some French regions, but I based this video on my French accent. I am from Paris. Un boulevard. Lentement. Acheter. Here there are two consonants, CH, but they only make one consonant sound, ch. Acheter. Samedi. Une avenue. 3. Silent final consonants in French. These consonants as the final letter of a word are silent in French. D, G, P, S, T, X, and Z. D'accord, gourmand, sourd, un point, long, du shampoing, beaucoup, trop, un champ, jamais, le bras, une souris, un fruit, un concert, la forêt, un choix, le prix, de, le nez, assez, du riz. Some words have more than one silent final consonant. Le respect, un doigt, le poids, le corps, le temps. As you can see, most final consonants are silent in French, so you can remember the non-silent final consonants with the word careful. C, R, F, and L are pronounced as final consonants. Avec, le trafic, un déclic. Hier, la mer, en hiver. 9, la soif, un apéritif. Le vol, en avril, un bol. The letter B, K, and Q are quite rare as final consonants and they are also pronounced. Un club, 5, un beefsteak. These rules are not hard and fast rules. Like English, French is full of exceptions that like to come at you from all angles. But you will learn the exceptions as you encounter them. 4. S and X for plural are silent. Plural don't affect a noun or an adjective pronunciation. La belle femme, les belles femmes. Un bon gâteau, de bons gâteaux. 5. H is mute in French. The letter H is always silent in French. There is no aspiration. Un homme, du thé, de l'ânette. The letters PH make the sound F, une photo. The letters CH make the sound sh, dimanche. In some words, the letters CH are pronounced que. La psychologie. 6. Verb endings. The final R of the infinitive of verbs ending in ER is not pronounced. Manger, aller, penser. The ending ENT of verbs for the third person of the plural, I mean for il, they masculine, and elle, they feminine, for all verbs and all tenses is always silent. Ils aiment. Elles étaient. Ils prendraient. 7. Silent M and N. The letters M and N are silent when they are nasal vowels. How to recognize French nasal vowels? If there is one or more vowels followed by N or M at the end of a word. Le pain. If there is one or more vowels followed by N or M and a silent consonant, comment. And if there is one or more vowels followed by N or M and a pronounced consonant, other than N or M. Bonjour. The vowel sound is nasalized and we do not pronounce the N or M. Le pain. Comment. Bonjour. The letter N is not pronounced when it is between the letter G and another vowel. GN is pronounced ng. It is a bit tricky for English speakers as there is no English equivalent. You can check out this video next to learn how to make the ng sound. La montagne. En Espagne. Gagner. Un oignon. En Allemagne. 8. Silent U. The letter U is not pronounced when it's between the letter Q and another vowel. Une question. 4. The letter U is not pronounced when it's between the letter G and a soft vowel. E, I, or Y. Une bague. Un guide. 9. And there are also sometimes random silent consonants inside words. Here are the most common ones. En automne. L'asthme. Longtemps. Condamné. Un baptême. Compter. 7. Un fils. Un rond-point. Une sculpture. Guys, if you struggle to pronounce the French R, you can check out this video next. And be sure to like this video and to subscribe to my channel. À la semaine prochaine!